What's up, Fruit Loops? Here we are, 8:30 in the morning, and I'm here. We are still waiting for the chop to come back. It was meant to come back yesterday, and it hasn't. So, we're just having to get on with what we can before sending the seats off. So, we have the tank and the side panels. They're going to be ready, and hopefully we'll have them in paint today, so Tony can do all these fancy schmancy stuff. We've got trike tins that came in yesterday, so we've been dealing with those. Just a quick repaint for them, because we're doing them for a mate. Got more skulls, which we've done in Love Arts. So we've got a lack of these today, and get them out. And then we've got another 50 to do, I think, which we're going to get done by the end of the week. So hopefully, like I say, we get a chop back, and we can get the forward controls on, we can get the seats off to the upholsterer, we get all the paint done, and then it's a case of fitting the carbs, getting it fired up, welding the exhausts, which we haven't decided on yet. With the exhausts, we have over here, we've just got your 4 downpipes, or we have two into ones, which we can drop out the side, and we'll probably do those with slash cuts, and then I would imagine we'll wrap them. If we use the stainless ones, we're going to weld them up, and there'll be 4 outlets under the bike, so we'll see. Ironically, I banned smoking in the unit yesterday, and here I am, first thing in the morning, having a fag and a cup of coffee. There you go. XS. Front brakes are sorted. We've had to do a boatload of work on the res. Bought another one, ended up putting the original back on. The plunger on the rear is shot, so we ordered another kit for that yesterday. So I'm hoping, getting a bit disillusioned with it to be honest, but I'm hoping by the end of next week we'll have that done. And I want to have a massive sort out in here, because we have shit everywhere, and to be honest, why the welder's on the floor I don't know, but to be totally honest, it's doing me fucking head in. So we need to get shit sorted out. Big good news for the tyres on the XS. These are knackered. It turns out I had a spare set of wheels with 2 decent Avons. Not the ideal tyre for an XS11, but it'll get me up and down the mountain and get me to and from work. So yeah, that's good. New compressor, I think I showed that in the last video. More than likely, you know what I'm like, repeat myself. So yeah, there we go, that's where we're at. I will try and get on later on this afternoon, or when the chop gets back, do a quick run through with that, and hoping to have it back to the owner by the end of next week. All done, all pretty, test ridden by whichever one of us is retarded enough to get on it. Probably me. There you go. Oh yeah, we got Harley coming in today as well for a complete strip and rebuild, a total personalisation job. And we got a quad coming in Monday, which was hydro dipped in 2007. It's just started to let go, so that's coming in to be redone. Not for free, we didn't do it, and in 2007, it's now 2021. That's a pretty good innings for something that's used every day. So all you people saying, how robust is hydro dipping? That robust. There you go. Right, yeah, that's it. So I'll pop on later. Yeah, have a good one. All right, be good. Okie dokie, happy days. Ta-da.